Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to track file downloads in WeTransfer. This feature lets you know whether your shared files have been downloaded, making it easier to manage important transfers. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the WeTransfer website. Sign in to your WeTransfer account. Keep in mind that download tracking is available with certain paid WeTransfer plans, so some users on the free plan may not see this feature. After signing in, go to your *transfers* or transfer history ** page. Here you'll find a list of all your recent and active transfers. Select the transfer you want to check. Once you open the transfer details, look for the *download status * or activity * section. If someone has already downloaded your files, WeTransfer will display the download status. Depending on your plan, you may also see the download date, time, or the number of completed downloads. If the transfer hasn't been downloaded yet, the status will show that it's still waiting. You can simply leave the transfer active until the recipient downloads the files or until the transfer expires. If you notice that the files haven't been downloaded after a long time, you can copy the transfer link and send a friendly reminder to the recipient. If the transfer has expired, upload the files again and create a new transfer link before sharing it. It's also a good idea to review your transfer list regularly. This helps you keep track of active links and delete transfers you no longer need, improving both organization and security.